Welcome to our channel. It's Rosanna from All Gifts Matter, and today I just have a short video about a homemade DIY mold. So a while ago I really was desperate to find the Bird Song by IOD mold set, and I could not find it anywhere. And there's only one place I know that sells it in England, and they sold out. So anyway, I went on eBay and all I could find was a cast of the biggest bird in the set. So all I could find was the cast. So what I thought I'd do, I bought it for something like £7, which is ridiculous. But anyway, I bought it and I made a mold out of Airdry clay. Now, I have not actually used it because turns out that a beautiful person from America actually bought the mold set for me and posted it to me for free as a gift, which I'm absolutely grateful for. I still can't believe it. I'm still very speechless about it. Our group is absolutely brilliant. Our community of crafters is absolutely amazing, and I love being part of it. Anyhow, someone has been asking me how the DIY mold worked out, so I thought I'd do a short video of actually, even though I don't need it, of actually making a cast out of it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get some cornstarch with my brush. Right, so that's what we have. Okay, it may not be perfect, but there's also all the cornstarch there. I'm gonna try and that is a little bit cracked, but that not too bad. And then we can clean it probably around the edges. Sorry, my head will be in frame there. Right, so I'm just going to tidy up a little bit. yeah, that's pretty much that. So yeah, you can get one. I mean, he's a little bit shallower. I mean, it's not as thick as the original cast. And, you know, you can fix any cracks you may have. But yeah, I mean, if I didn't have one now, I would be pretty happy with it, because then, you know, you still have one you can use. And as I said, you can make it as perfect as you like. You know, it depends how much time you want to dedicate to it, really. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So yeah, I think I'll be pretty happy with it if that was the only way of having a swallow mold from IOD. Yeah, I'll be pretty chuffed with that. So yeah, I hope you found this useful. But yeah, I would definitely try different methods. I mean, the silicone one would probably be good because you can bend silicone and then it would be easier to take your cast out. Yeah, the only issue with using the air dry clay is that you can't bend it because obviously it's rigid, as you probably all know. But yeah, so this is that. I hope you found it useful, and thank you for watching. Any comments, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye now.